ভালো না? তাই we're just going next door to Sheraton, so
It's a reverse sleepover.
hello everyone, আমি Armanjot নিচে যাচ্ছি. Today is Rath Jatra, so জয় জগন্নাথ. We are going down. নিচে রথ টানা হবে, so এখানে নাকি খুব ভালো করে হয়. So আমি কখনো তো this is the first time, so we're gonna go check it out. I am very excited and it's Manjot's first time. So চলো দেখি কেমন হয়.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. Today's vlog starts with Rath Yatra celebrations in our society, and this was our first time experiencing it here. The vlog also continues into Saturday, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into the video.
ওরা বলছে টাওয়ার 8 এর কাছে, তো আমরা এখন নিচে দিয়ে যাচ্ছি সুইমিং পুলের পাশ দিয়ে towards Tower 8. I think it's in the cricket ground, which is the place where Holi was celebrated.
Well, Manjot and I were trying to figure out where everything was happening. Let me tell you guys something. One of the traditions during Rath Yatra is pulling the ropes of the chariot, and I'd wanted to do it for so long. This was going to be my first time. My parents were also coming over, which made it extra special. Our society's Rath Yatra is actually quite well known, and so we felt very lucky to be a part of it. If you watched my Holi vlog, you'll probably recognize this spot because that's exactly where the celebrations were happening.
वो तो है कहते हैं कि नहीं अमीरत भी होना चाहते हैं और जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ we will take a turn now be careful turn it yes turn it turn you people move back turn right side turn it right side come forward people holding right side rope come forward.
As soon as we reached, we were genuinely surprised. We knew it would be big, but we didn't expect it to be this grand or this well organized. Lord Jagannath, Goddess Subhadra, and Lord Balaram looked so beautiful, and I think the community in our society did such an amazing job putting everything together. One of my favorite moments was seeing little kids with their own mini chariots happily pulling them around. It was the cutest thing ever. We got there at the perfect time because the rope pulling had just started, so both Manjot and I got a chance to pull the chariot. It felt really special. The whole place looked so beautiful, and with colored flags everywhere, the energy was amazing. Then came the ritual where traditional drums were playing to wake up Lord Jagannath. It was my first time experiencing this, and I thought it was such a beautiful tradition. I'll let you listen to it too. Manjot also got prasad. If you've ever been to Jagannath Temple in Puri, you'll know why it's one of my favorite prasads ever. As the Rath Yatra continued, there were a few beautiful performances by the members of the Oriya community in our society. It was so lovely to watch. Around the same time, my parents were also arriving, so just in time for the Aarti. My parents made it just in time. They reached only a few minutes before the aarti started, and I was just so happy that they didn't miss this. The aarti was beautiful. It actually reminded me a little bit of Durga Puja. It also really made me miss Jagannath Temple in Puri, so I really hope that Manjot and I and my parents, we can plan a trip there very soon. After Aarti, everyone came together to carry Lord Jagannath, Goddess Subhadra, and Lord Balaram on a beautifully decorated Singhasan to the hall where they would stay for the next few days. This hall is basically in the clubhouse, and you guys will see it soon. Watching everyone come together, the whole society, and just doing it with so much of devotion, it was such a beautiful moment. Chalo. It was finally time to take Lord Jagannath, Goddess Subhadra, and Lord Balaram to the hall that would become their temple for the next few days. And it was a very sweet thing to watch. The way everyone carried the Singhasan, gently swaying it as they walked, felt like they were carrying a little baby. There was so much of love and care and devotion in every step. The whole way, everyone kept singing and chanting together, and the energy was just very beautiful. The funny part was that usually to walk from there to the hall would take 5 to 10 minutes, but because everyone just wanted to take it slowly and enjoy every moment, it took us almost half an hour to reach. Somehow no one even cared. It wasn't about getting there, it was just about soaking in every second of the journey.
50% off.
As soon as we entered the hall, guess what was the first thing I spotted? A Fab India stall. They had clothes and even a few home decor pieces at 50% off.
Oh, and those stuff also.
Anyway, the hall got really crowded after that. The whole Ayojan was very beautifully organized. We stayed there for a while, soaked all of it in, and then headed downstairs for a quick dinner, which was also a part of the celebrations.
আমরা এখন ভেতরে বসে আছি পার্টি হলে এখানে সব হবে আই থিংক খাবার নিচে হবে না নিচে না নিচে যাচ্ছি ভোগের জন্য মানে নিচে গিয়ে দেখবো ওদিক থেকে না ও এখানেও বক্স আছে আচ্ছা সো লুচি সুজি রাইস রায়তা আর আই থিঙ্ক এটা মিক্স ভেজ কেরম ভালো না তাই আমরা উপরে যাচ্ছি খুব খুব ভালো প্রসাদ ছিল এখন সবাই উপরে যাচ্ছি কিছুক্ষণের জন্য জাস্ট লিটারালি কিছুক্ষণের জন্য মা বাবা বসবে তারপর কালকে ওয়ার্কিং ডে সো again we'll meet on Saturday. How was it? How was your experience?
Divine.
Baba, how was it for you? ভালো ছিল Manjot, how was your first time experience?
My mom and dad came up for a while. We had some water together, sat and chatted for a few minutes, and then it was time for them to head back home. I have to say, the whole experience was so beautiful. It was also Manjot's first Rath Yatra, which made it even more special. I'm really happy my parents got to experience it with us too. Now, I honestly can't wait for next year. I definitely want to get more involved, maybe even reach out to a few people from before so I can help out with the preparations beforehand. I already know it's something I'll be looking forward to.
Hi guys, good morning. Well, it's not morning anymore, good afternoon. It's 12:30. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. It's a Saturday and my parents are coming over. They're gonna have a sleepover. We have an invite or an invitation tonight at Sheraton, so it's like literally next door. They're coming, they're on their way now. We woke up and did everything. I changed the bed sheets, did everything, and then shampooed my hair. I still have to straighten it and stuff. Dini's in the kitchen making food. আর মঞ্জুত ওখানে বসে আছে। আমাকে এত কিছু লন্ড্রি করতে হবে এখন। মা বাবার বেড রেডি করে দিয়েছি সব।
My parents arrived
Chalo.
close to lunchtime, and since the party was at Sheraton, which is right next door, I asked them to stay over instead of driving back home late. So once they got home and settled in, we were ready for some lunch.
আচ্ছা আজকে আছে কি অলরেডি কমেন্ট করেছে that they want the recipe for this.
এটা কি করে বুঝলি অনলি রেসিপি করেছে অনেক কিছু তো ছিল
No, because I said if you want recipe comment not below.
ও
So there's Loki, এটা ডাল, আলু ঝিঙে পোস্ত, রায়তা, বাবা বানিয়েছে মিক্স ভেজের কি বলবো আবিয়াল স্টু, আর এটা ভিন্ডি ভাজা আর ভাত। কেমন খেতে ভিন্ডিটা? হ্যাঁ চলো। দেখো কি সুন্দর বাইরে বৃষ্টি পড়ছে। It looks so pretty. চলো হ্যাঁ ভিন্ডি ডাল ইটস ভেরি নাইস এখন we are going to the salon নিচে to get our hair done. So এখন কি হয়েছে আমার মা ওখানে আছে. I already shampooed my hair in the morning. I just wanted someone to do setting like blow dry. They don't have that. They have it with shampoo and everything, and I was like, it's very unnecessary. I'll just go home and straighten my hair, so that will be easier. Just that my straightener is really old and it's not working properly. Like it's working properly now, doesn't always work properly. So let's keep our fingers crossed. But Mama should be done in some time anyway. কি অবস্থা দেখো, আমাদের বাইরের বসার জায়গা নেই বলে he's taken the study chair outside and he's trying to enjoy the weather and it's raining heavily. Are you liking it, mister? Yeah? I am straightening my hair. This much done.
By the time my mom was done at the salon, it was pouring. She didn't have an umbrella, so Manjot had to go downstairs to rescue her while I watched the whole scene from our balcony.
লাগলো ভালো করেছো তো, খুব সুন্দর করেছো। Yeah. You got wet? দেখি চুলটা ভিজেছে, চুলটা so sweet. Change your t-shirt. Okay, so it's 8 and we are leaving. We're just going next door to Sheraton, so it's not gonna take time, but all of us are finally ready. Let's go. Lipstick nahi acha? Oh. It's a birthday party. It's Babli Mashi's birthday party. We are family friends. Yes, literally, we're here already. It took us 1 minute.
The last time I was here, we were actually venue hunting for our wedding, so it felt really nostalgic coming back. চলে এসেছি আমরা Oh, this is only Tomakai. By the way, I'm filming a whole Shadi series on Instagram, so if you're not following me there yet, do check it out. You can find my Instagram ID in the description box below. Xenia is Xenia is ekhane. Hi, Jo. Yeah. This was Babli Mashi's 60th birthday, and it was a really special one because our families have known each other for as long as I can remember. She's also seen me grow up since I was a little girl. Her daughter had planned this surprise birthday, and we thought we were among the first ones to arrive, but quite a few people had already beaten us there. As soon as we got there, I ordered myself a mango chili drink, and it was so nice catching up with so many friends and family friends we hadn't seen in a really long time.
Alo Kasia.
Guys, can you recognize my mom from this picture? I honestly think she looks exactly the same. So Tanishi, who's Babli Machi's daughter, had printed so many old photos from over the years, and this was one of them. After that, there was a lot of dancing, and if you've also watched one of my previous vlogs, Arup uncle was also there, who's mine and Manjot's favorite uncle of all time. After that, it was time for the talented singers to take over, and a few beautiful songs were performed.
Robi's daughter, but more important, she's the main artist.
We're gonna go back.
So in the middle of all this, my mom and I, we stepped out for a while to find a mirror. She wanted to fix her sari and I wanted to go check on my makeup. Then when we got back, it was finally time for dinner, and you guys, the food was actually really good. I started with the chaat, of course. I mixed papri chaat and aloo tikki chaat because you guys know I always do that. Then my plate was completely full with dal makhni, butter chicken, mutton, rice, etc, etc. It was really good, guys. The food was amazing.
আমরা এখন dessert খেতে এসেছি. Oh, thank you. Here, babe. Thank you. Cake, tiramisu, Indian stuff. Ooh, this looks really nice. I'm gonna take this. And there's also kulfi. Yeah.
By the time we finished dinner, it was almost midnight. We were completely full and exhausted, but Arup uncle, on the other hand, he was full of energy.
Oh, we can go by lift. ওখানে. আমরা এখন বেরোচ্ছি. It's 12 something. আর আমরা এখন বেরোচ্ছি, but the good thing is that মা বাবা, they're staying back, so they don't have to travel all the way back. Are you happy about that?
Yeah, I mean, it's a reverse sleepover.
Reverse কেন?
Normally,
Oh, হ্যাঁ. Hey, Manjot. Okay, so আমরা ঢুকে গেছি and we are home. It took us 1 minute again, but I had a lovely time. What about you guys?
very nice.
Enjoyed after a long time.
Yeah. Also, like, I had a very good dinner. The food was good, na?
Very
Yeah.
Mother did like the butter chicken, right?
No, the butter chicken was not like butter chicken, but it was good. Like I liked it. But yeah, it was not like butter chicken. But the preparation was nice only. And dessert was also very nice. The Shahi Tukra was my favorite. Ekhon jabo, I'll just probably take off my makeup, or before that I might still shoot some reels and then take off my makeup and call it a day.
And that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed spending a part of your day with me. Thank you so much. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It really means more than you know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.